Ever dreamt of an island escape where time slows to the gentle clip of horse-drawn hooves, colorful Victorian houses whisper stories of the past, and every corner beckons with sweet indulgence? Then set sail for Mackinac Island, Michigan's gem in the Straits of Mackinac, promising an unforgettable experience for every soul. Step back in time with a leisurely ride on a horse-drawn carriage, the island's iconic mode of transportation. Feel the gentle rhythm of hooves on cobblestone streets, admire the meticulously preserved Victorian architecture, and let the island's charm envelop you. Every clip-clop whispers history. For the thrill-seekers, conquer Fort Mackinac, a historic military outpost perched atop a bluff. Explore the restored fort, witness breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding islands, and imagine the lives of soldiers stationed here centuries ago. Every cannon echo whispers forgotten battles. Indulge in the island's most famous treat, melt-in-your-mouth fudge, at one of the many quaint shops lining Main Street. Sample countless flavors, witness the traditional copper kettle preparation, and savor the sweet decadence that defines Mackinac Island. Every bite whispers pure indulgence. Venture beyond the downtown bustle and explore the natural beauty of the island on foot or bike. Hike through lush forests, follow scenic trails bordering turquoise waters, and witness the stunning beauty of Arch Rock, a natural limestone formation sculpted by wind and waves. Every breath whispers serenity. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, head to Grand Hotel's iconic porch for a magical sunset escape. Witness the island bathed in golden light, capture breathtaking panoramas, and let the moment linger in your memory forever. Every hue whispers enchantment. For a taste of island life, savor a fresh fish dinner at a waterfront restaurant, enjoying the bounty of the Great Lakes. Choose from flaky whitefish, succulent trout, and decadent lobster mac and cheese, all paired with breathtaking water views. Every bite whispers culinary delight. Explore the rich history of the Grand Hotel, a national historic landmark steeped in elegance and tradition. Wander through lavish ballrooms, marvel at intricate Victorian-era decor, and imagine the glamorous events held here for over a century. Every chandelier whispers opulence. Embrace the thrill of speed on a thrilling zipline adventure through the island's forests. Soar through the treetops, witness breathtaking views from above, and feel the adrenaline rush as you zip from platform to platform. Every glide whispers exhilaration. Escape the crowds and rent a kayak to explore the secluded coves and hidden beaches along the island's shoreline. Paddle through crystal-clear waters, spot playful otters basking on sun-warmed rocks, and experience the tranquility of nature's embrace. Every stroke whispers peace. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a secluded spot on the beach and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world, a world where the gentle whisper of the waves mingles with the distant hum of the island, and you're left with the sweet memory of Mackinac Island. From historic charm to thrilling adventures, from mouthwatering fudge to breathtaking natural beauty, Mackinac Island offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek a taste of the past, a dose of relaxation, or the simple joy of connecting with nature, this Michigan gem promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So, pack your walking shoes, your adventurous spirit, and your sweet tooth. Mackinac Island awaits, ready to whisper its stories and paint your own island escapade.